What's up, everybody? I hope that you're doing well. I am doing great. Actually, I'm doing great. I'm feeling jolly. I got Jolly Journey here, and I'm so pumped to share this code with you. The simplicity and mechanic of it are a lot of fun, and there's a lot of high value functionality and monetization schemes that we can talk about that this guy offers. I'm still seeing runner codes like this all over the top charts, and this justifies the longevity of a runner code like this. Apple's been around for 6 years, has over 1 million apps in the store now, and I can guarantee in another 6 years, this code's still going to be rocking it. There's still going to be tons of apps in the top charts with this type of code. So let's jump right into it. There's tons of features to go over. We've got our main menu open right here. You already saw the ad library pop up some ads. So great to have because you have the option yourself to turn on or off which ads you want to run. We've got Chartboost, Playhaven, RevMob, AppLovin. So you can cross-promote your own apps through Chartboost, or you could monetize through full-screen interstitials by AppLovin. And all you have to do is give your coder the ID. We've also got, let's start pushing some buttons. This question mark up here in the top right has a cool little movement. We get sent over to a placeholder page, which we can have instructions, credits, support, whatever you want. The same thing about this about page does the same thing. We've got our more games down here in the bottom left, which also is linked to Chartboost or to promote your other apps. We've got a remove ads in-app purchase button in the top left here. This is really important because it again dives into the monetization of this app. This is a non-consumable purchase, which means the user only purchases it once. That's really important because we have a lot of consumable purchases in this app also we'll get into later. You can see down here in the bottom right, we've got Facebook, Twitter, Game Center, again, great traffic sources. So let's jump into the store. This is great because this has an in-app store in it. It has its own currency, and you can collect coins to purchase items. In this case, Santa. We've got tons of riders you can choose from. It's a lot of fun. Obviously, we went with the Christmas theme for this guy, and it blows up during December. We've got sleds. You can, check out different rides Santa's on. Cool scarves. Sunglasses. I don't think it's very safe that Santa's driving sleighs over cities with sunglasses on, but some swaggy flags, I like the Mexico one. And you can see down here in the bottom right, we've got 1,700 presents, which in this case is our currency. You can change it to whatever you want. Then we have up here upgrades and power-ups and presents and all of this stuff. And these are our consumable purchases. And these are purchases that the user's going to buy over and over and over, which is great because just like Clash of Clans, you get sucked into buying stuff, and you have cool go faster, fly higher, stronger magnet, and these things will get the user addicted, and they're going to just want to buy more and more. So let's jump back here. We've got multiplayer down here in the bottom. This is through the Nextpeer SDK, and this is great because again it has a multiplayer currency. And you can play with friends on Facebook and invite people, or you can play with people on Nextpeer, actually play multiplayer with live people. And if nobody has your app or nobody's running your app at this time, they'll still put a CPU unit in Nextpeer, so you'll feel like you're playing against somebody. All right, push play. And cool, we have our level select. We've got North Pole. These are actually stages. I think there's 6 of them. City Lights. We've got Spooky Forest. I hope Santa dropped off my presents before he goes to Spooky Forest. And you can see I need so many presents, aka our coins, to unlock these levels. So I'm going to click North Pole, and we've got our Santa decked out. The store pops up again, which is great for monetization. And here's our levels. Each stage has about 15 levels. I think there's like 90 levels total. So this is basically an endless runner. There's, a lot of levels. The gameplay has that endless feel to it. There's lots of power-ups. I'm going to start by just pushing pushing the screen. And to go faster, I just hold down. You can see when I push, Santa has a little slope to him. So on the downhills, I go faster. I'm just, again, collecting these presents. That's the scheme. Get to the finish line as fast as possible. Collect some presents. Do some sweet power-ups. That one's extra time. It's just really simple. It's a lot of fun, though. These functionalities and mechanics, just so easy. They don't cause any problems with the code, and they're just, again, a lot of fun. So this is great for new developers. Coding is extremely easy and inexpensive. You can get a couple skins out for a reasonable price. And again, there's tons of monetization options, the ads, the store, unlocking levels, customizing your character. Just tons to offer. I'm really pumped to show this to you guys. Again, if you can think of that trendy theme or deck out your character and customize them in a cool way that attracts to the user, you're going to retain these people and suck a lot of money out of this code. So I hope you read more in the blog post below. Again, download the app, check it out, and I hope to see you soon.